going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear reflector that goes on the rear bumper for your 2017 to current Jeep Compass, this body style. Now this is my girlfriend's Jeep. She got home from work one day and I realized that the driver's side reflector was just missing for whatever reason. No apparent damage or anything. It looks like it just kind of fell out. She was rear-ended at one point and this bumper got replaced, so I don't know if it's aftermarket bumper and everything doesn't fit perfectly, but here's the replacement reflector. I will post the left and the right one if you need to purchase them online. They're approximately 20 bucks plus a little bit for shipping. So this one I modified a bit. Again, you can see there's kind of like a little notch here. I don't know what's going on there. Maybe there's something wrong with this piece, not necessarily this, but I carefully heated this piece up with a lighter and then just pushed on it a little bit with a screwdriver to bend the tab out a little bit more, because I did get it in there. What you do is you just take the outer piece. So I'm on the driver's side. If you're on the passenger side, doesn't matter. You take the outermost tab and you slip that into the hole here first, like that, and then this side snaps in right there, as you can see. Now, I snapped it in before, didn't really hear a click or nothing. It was in there, but I was able to reach my hand up and push it back out, no problem. So that's why I took it out, heated it, and bent that tab. So let's try this again, see what happens. And there we go, finally got it snapped into place after some struggling. Again, I don't know if it's just the aftermarket bumper here or what, but hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.